1, 2, 3. Hi guys, hi everyone. Hi guys, hi everyone. We start a quick research on what's going on in the markets, and I would like to remind you that I'm trying to do it on a daily basis, and you can check what I told you about the market yesterday with the situation that you see today, and also you can check my previous videos last week's and so on, so you can see how it works. Before you trade with my trading ideas, you have to understand what the technical analytical research is. You have to understand how to use money. You have to understand money management as a personal financial situation, as money management in trading. You have to understand that before you start to trade. Also, you have to know your trading rules. If you don't have these trading rules, no one will help you to earn money with the technical researches. So right now you can see American dollar index and current price is 94.36. What is the technical situation? Now we have a target around 94.66. After that, your target is around 95.11, 95.27. But what's going on now? I told you that our target was around this area first. It's like 93.90. After that, this green line, green horizontal line, is our level of resistance, which is also our target for long positions for American dollar index. But I can tell you right now that there are really many levels of resistance around American dollar index, around euro dollar, Japanese yen with American dollar. So there are technical resistance and supports that give me an idea that price may be in difficult to get this target. So what we should do? We should expect our price to give us a rebound so we can enter market only after correction. How we can recognize correction? You draw tendency line with the minimum prices. After that, you draw tendency line with the minimum prices again. So our entry point is around this tendency line, the latest tendency line. You also can draw this tendency line, but it's more likely to be broken really soon. So either you buy around this price, 94.30, but this is risky. I would say that this is risky because you can enter market, you can put your stop loss under the extremum, but it doesn't look like price is trying to rebound and go up right now. So here is the risk. Until you don't see a good shadow on the bottom part, you do not enter market with a long position. So either they give you good shadow on 1 hour chart from here, or they try to test this green line and give you a rebound from like 94.16, but you have to see this shadow on the bottom part in 1 hour chart, and after that you're okay to enter market with long positions for American dollar and buy with the target 94.66. I hope it will help you. So my trading idea about American dollar index based on this correction from the beginning of this year is really profitable, and we had a lot of entry points to go up with this American dollar index. So right now I hope our technical researchers also will work and you will earn money on this idea, but only if you know how to trade. I hope you do remember my idea about that. Okay, now we go back to euro dollar. Here's the euro dollar situation, and the euro dollar right now looks like this. So price reached my target. This was 1.1580. I told you about this last week and this week. So this is my target. It's good, but there is no buy signal yet. You can see that price is touching the bottom part of downgoing tendency. How did I draw this downgoing tendency? Look here. I take the instrument, I draw the maximum target level and the minimum level, and I have this 50% area. So this is my target right now. They reached it, but they're not showing me a rebound yet. The price may go lower. Will it go right now? I'm not sure. Why? Because this is a really good level of support, technical level of support. Until we don't see a rebound, we are not okay to go up and buy this instrument. This is something that I can tell you for 100%. Look here on weekly chart and also weekly chart and Ishimoku cloud. current price is really close to the level of support on Ishimoku cloud, and this gives us an opportunity to understand that today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in the beginning of next week, we can see rebound from this area. So we are not allowed to buy euro dollar right now. We can see a little rebound, the price going up, but in the beginning of next week, we can see the price trying to touch this 115.35 area, and after that they may go higher, like to give us some correction. Okay, so yeah, my congratulations to those who were selling, who sold euro, who earned money. And now we go back to Great Britain pound. Let's go here. What I want to show you here, let's check from the beginning, like what we have right now as a target and why we have it as a target. From, let's say, from last year, 2020, we had an upgoing tendency. They broke it in May. After that, price is trying to give us lower minimums. What we saw? We saw a good corridor here. So this is a flat situation with a level of resistance 142, level of support around 137. After they break this 137, we copy same corridor, same flat situations with the same amount of pips from the upper side to bottom side, and we're trying to predict that this same corridor will work for us right now. So this is what's happening. They broke this 137 level, break, retest, and they go straight to our 50% part of this flat situation. So now you can see they reached our target 134 and given a rebound. So what is the prediction right now? That price may go to 135.66. I will show you now on a 1 hour chart. And after they break 134, only after they break 134, they will go to 131.40. If you go on 1 hour chart here for Great Britain pound, you can use the Fibonacci levels. For example, we take into account the latest situation with this week, and you can see the price going down from 137.30 to 134. So this was tendency, downgoing tendency, and we predict that now they're showing us correction, upgoing correction. When do we understand that this is a correction? We draw these Fibonacci levels. We have correction lines. 14.60, 23.60, 38.20. After they break 134.50, your target to buy is 134.82. After they break 134.82, you buy with the target 135.28. After they break this target, your target to buy is 135.68. Why? Because those are correction lines for Fibonacci, with the Fibonacci instruments for Great Britain pound. So that's how it works. But after they break this 134, you have little steps where to sell this instrument and what your target will be like. But right now you can see that Great Britain pound is going up and you know targets. If you have a question why it's going up, you can go to economical calendar, you can check what we have right now, and you'll find all the information about the GDP from Great Britain, and the GDP is really nice for the second quarter, and it's really nice in a year equivalent. So you can check all the statistical situation, and also please remember that today is the last day of September. If you understand that this is the last day of September, it means that we have the PMI from China. PMI from China gives us an understand what we will do with American dollar index for the next day. For example, today for Great Britain pound, we have a really nice GDP, so it means that buyers will be really strong, and this is something that we can see right now. That is why Great Britain pound is going up, and I'm just showing you technical targets where to buy. Why? Because GDP is good for the second quarter. If you go back to euro, you will see that it's not really high right now. Yeah, why? Because American dollar index is strong. Why is it strong? Because not only because of FOMC situation, but also because of statistical situation from China. PMI from China was 49.6 after 50.1 in the last in previous month. So you can understand that PMI is not good. It's under the critical level of 50, and when you have that situation, that statistical situation from China, American dollar index is going up. If statistics from China are nice, so you see how American dollar index is going down. That's how it usually works. Okay, so for Great Britain pound, now you know what's up, and you can still trade today. Let's talk about gold a little bit, because for gold I see some critical moments. It's right here. The critical situation is around 1734. After they break this level of resistance, here are your targets. After they break 1734, you buy with the target 1739, 1747, and 1761. So this is the situation for gold. You're not selling it right now. Only after they break this level of support, 1720. 1720 is the level of support which they need to break, and after that you sell with the target 170 and 1696 and so on. So, and right now there is no opportunity to sell. There is no good signal for short positions. So you have to use this level of resistance 1734. After they break it, you go further and buy. It's kind of the same for silver, but with the silver, check it out. For silver, they're trying to break the Shimoku cloud on weekly chart. Now after they break it, your target will be 20.70. So there is no chance for us to say right now that this will happen next week or this will happen this week. No, we don't have this technical conclusion, because the close price of this week is not done yet. Only tomorrow, after market goes to sleep, we'll see what's up with the market. So right now we can't open new positions for silver. If they're gonna give us a correction, upgoing correction, look here, we check this situation, they may go up to 21.96, but it's against the tendency. I'm not gonna work against tendency. For Brent, I told you that we can buy only above 78. Also today with my trading club in Russia, I decided that this is our level of resistance, 78.58, after we decide to buy. So only after they break this level of resistance I can buy. Second choice right now is this 200 moving average on 1 hour chart. So if today, maybe in 1 hour, in 2 hours, in 3 hours, they give me a rebound from here, I can decide to buy Brent with the target 78.58. After they break 78.58, I will buy. I will open new position with the target 63. Why 63? Because this is my target on daily chart. And also, I can tell you that the upgoing tendency from August is not done yet. So it's still okay to wait for upgoing tendency until they didn't break this tendency line. Okay, and I hope that you understand what I'm telling you about the technical researches. Rajesh, hi. Hi, Rajesh. And Secret Box, Euro Japanese yen. Okay, let's talk about the Euro Japanese yen. Thank you very much for writing comments. I can also discuss this with you. Well, let's go for monthly chart. Euro Japanese yen. Why I go to monthly chart? Because you can see what's up with the market on a long-term position. And look, this is the level of resistance around 137. This is level of resistance. So right now you can't say that this is the moment to sell. They're going up for 2 years. They're going up, and now right now this is just a correction. If you check with the Fibonacci levels this situation, you will understand that they did not even break 23.60 area. Seriously, and this is the 4th month which they close with a shadow on the bottom part. It's not giving me a strong signal to buy right now, but it's also kind of weak to sell. This situation is really weak for my decision to sell. This is on monthly chart, and you understand that your target will be around here. It's like 137, around that. We can go to weekly chart. Check the technical situation here. It doesn't look like a good opportunity to buy right now. Seriously, it's not. Why? Because we need to go through a really strong level of resistance, which is 131, and only after that we decide on weekly chart that we are okay to enter market with the long positions with the target 137. So only after they break this level of resistance 131, we decide, okay, it's good, so we can buy right now. But this is on weekly chart. Let's go to daily chart. What you can see here. On daily chart, you can see that price is being in Ishimoku cloud, so there is no upgoing tendency. There is no downgoing tendency. Market is just living its life. There is nothing really interesting right now. So what we can decide, we can buy only after the price goes from this Ishimoku cloud, I think. So this is something that I would do. Recently, I would say that this is a good sell target, but they're not shown as an opportunity to sell. If we decide to buy only after they break this Ishimoku cloud, and this is on daily chart. Let's go to 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. If you go through my videos and if you check different videos, this is something that I made for my traders. Why? Look here, this is the Fibonacci extension that I use all the time. And they made this step 1, 2, 3. Look here. This was tendency. They break it, and we don't understand how to measure this movement. How to say what is your target? You use Fibonacci extension. 1, 2, 3. Just 3 dots, and you get your targets. 128.73, 129. 129.60 and 130.45. Well, miracle, but it works. So right now, for Euro Japanese yen, we can say that this is a good level of support right here, right now. And if they give us a rebound, if they break this tendency like this, you are really welcome to buy with the target 130.45. This may work for you, but they need to give you a rebound from this level of support, 129.60. They need to break this tendency. Maybe they give you a test of this tendency. And after that, your target is 130.45, and after that, 131. That's how it works. Let's check one more thing. They went up, and now this is the correction, 129.48. Good. This looks good. Also, if you decided to discuss Euro Japanese yen, I want to discuss with you our previous target. Yesterday I told you that we had entry point 110.80. After that, you buy, your target was 111.60. After that, your target is 112.25. You can check in previous videos. So why this target is good for me still? Because you make this tendency line for maximum prices, and you can see that this is a really good technical target right here. Right now, market is not showing you buy signal. It's not showing you a sell signal. It's still, in between. That's why I'm telling you that this is your area. 112.25, 112.30. This is area where they may stop. If you try to measure something with the Fibonacci levels, they also show you 112.30 area as an opportunity to see a rebound. But be careful, because for this instrument, after you see them break in this 112 area on daily chart, their target is 114 over here. This is something I was telling to my traders for many weeks, that our target is over here. Risk was over here, 107.30. 107.30 was a risk, but they didn't give us this risk. So this is a good opportunity still for us to see this 114, but only after they break this 112.25 area. Yeah. Okay, I hope that you like what I'm giving you, and you are really welcome to spread my ideas and to share it with your friends, traders, and of course I will try to give you more information, and I'm really glad to be useful for you. I'm not gonna make any trading clubs for English-speaking people yet, but I'm really glad to share my ideas here for free on YouTube, so stay with me and press the bell so you don't forget to see the new video on time. I wish you huge profits, just huge profits. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.